Okay, Adam, why did you just get picked up by security?
Because
why?
I'm wearing too many layers and they couldn't see through my clothing. So he's like, we're gonna have to take you back if I don't pass this screening test here to do a visual. I'm like, no, I'll just show you here.
And so why were there too many layers?
Because I'm wearing shorts under here because it's freezing in Melbourne and really hot where we're going. We booked a car and we realised we just got enough seats for us, no bags. Is everything hanging out the back? Oh, that's squish. How you going in the back? Oh, it's cozy. We're on the way to the hotel now. Hard rock with no cafe.
Let me give you a tour of our room. We got the biggest room because we're lucky. We are lucky, aren't we? It is pretty big in here. See, we've got a couch and a table. Bathroom in here.
Tonight to see some drones. What is it, Mum?
Going to the Uluru. It's drones, 1,100 of them.
1,100 drones in the sky.
More than $10 million to do.
Stand tall now, for goodness sake. Sky's burning on full display.
Hello!
Welcome to Uluru. This one and only gift before me, holding every breath in place, severing slowly, meant to show me how we know that even when we're lost we're found.
What's behind you?
A hard rock but no cafe.
Even when we're lost we're found.
Say cheese.
Yeah, even when we're lost we're found. Yeah, even when we're lost we're found. Even when we're lost we're found.
We are up nice and early, 5:30 a.m. to catch the sunrise. Mum,
Yes.
you made us all get up at 5:30 in the morning. I woke up at 5:25. Sam's run off to get the better shot, and I don't blame her. Look at this. We're gonna be quick.
Living in the moment. When I'm looking at you, I'm here and now. Eyes open anew. It's clear to me
Thanks, Mum. Mum was holding the camera for me the whole time.
What did you call her, Adam?
I called you. You're my personal tripod.
Yes, I am.
This guy is such a copycat. I literally just did this.
You literally copying your ideas.
Yes.
Excuse me.
Copycat from Uluru.
We made it to Uluru.
We did.
Looks amazing.
Beautiful.
Alright, now that we've seen Uluru from the distance, we're going to go and walk around it. Nice and close. The things that you do for the shot. I can hear strange animals around me. I should get off the road. Help! Help!
That was funny.
I'm done.
Oh my
I can hear some animal go.
We're gonna do rock, paper, scissors. Which way?
All day long I'm smiling, I'm happy all the time. That sun keeps on shining, and it's got me feeling fine. Birds are whistling.
The walk has begun. We are walking around Uluru now, and it's very windy. I'm gonna lose my hat, and my hair is already frazzle-dazzled. But we can do this, Mum.
Yes, we can. We're gonna.
It's a 2-hour round walk apparently, and that's if you're good at walking, which we are not, so it's probably going to be 3 hours. We've got the whole crew here. Daniel looks like he's going to bail halfway. Go back.
A minute and 9 seconds.
Cause I'm high above the clouds, I'm floating in blue and feeling brand new. Got a smile on my face that I just can't erase. Everybody knows wherever I go, I'm a happy soul. All day long I'm smiling, I'm happy all the time. That sun keeps on shining, and it's got me feeling fine. Birds are whistling to me everywhere I go. I can feel it deep down.
Mum, look at your shoes! Look at your shoes! Yeah, that's it. Stop.
Go away. Get him off. Get him off.
Alright, give me your shoe. Get your shoe off. Get your shoe off.
The other one, quick.
Big. Oh my god. Is this filming? This crazy lady standing on top. Oh my god.
That I just can't erase. Everybody knows wherever I go. I'm happy all the time.
Don't pick it onto me. Wow. Ah, they're coming to attack me. Look at them. You walk here and they just come for you.
I'm a happy soul, bubbling from my head down to my toes, and I feel like gold. Whoa, I'm a happy soul.
Mum, how's your feet feel now?
Oh, fantastic.
So we're officially halfway, so we're walking the rest of it. It is official, we're halfway around the Great Temples.
Happy all the time. That sun keeps on shining, and it's got me feeling fine. Birds are whistling to me everywhere I go. Whoa, I can feel it deep down in my bones. I'm a happy soul, bubbling from my head down to my toes.
We don't know how long we've got left, but we're struggling.
We've been walking for about 2.5 hours. Everyone's starting to get a little bit slower now in pace. We're running out of water. The flies are starting to attack us and eat us alive now.
It says it's like a 1-minute drive from the car park, but a 40-minute walk. Tell me the math on that. Hello.
Mum and Nick are gonna wait there and we're gonna go run back to the car and drive it back here. We did it!
I'm coming up, I'm going on. I'm getting on, getting on, getting on. I'm feeling it when I'm sipping on. I'm getting on, getting on, getting on. I hear the hum begin to grow. It's telling me get up and
Is it cold?
We should learn how to swim.
Hanging out in the pool?
Indeed. Woohoo!
It's nothing cold. It's freezing in here. It's freezing.
So where have we got our dinner from?
We have got our dinner tonight from Ayers Walk.
Ayers Walk. Ayers Walk.
Mum, where are we going?
To the Field of Lights. It's a 50,000 light installation in the middle of nowhere.
I hear the hum begin to grow. It's telling me get up and go. Get on, get up and I'm coming up. Get on, get up and
We're here at the Olgas,
Kata Tjuta.
Kata, and it looks amazing.
somewhere not too far. Someone in their car is a rebel on the interstate, trying to make a getaway. Smoke from
And if you look over here, Uluru. Out there in the distance, staring us in the face. Nick, Uluru misses you. He wants you to go and do another lap.
space.
We're doing another walk today. How are we, Daniel?
Another walk.
You ready
Whole
for this?
thing. Yeah, I'm ready.
Put the sign, finish your walk by 11 a.m. Safety reasons.
Oh wow.
Too hot. Dude, these are fucking giant wasps.
Oh yeah, they are too. Alright, we've walked about 5 minutes from the car park. I think it's already time to take a break. It's so hot.
The risk is significantly increased after 11 a.m. Finish your walk by 11 a.m.
11. And it's 8:40, so we've got time.
That's all we need, honey. If I have you, you have me. Nothing else matters more than what's in.
Welcome to the Olgas.
Take me love, anywhere you wanna go. Across the ocean to see you. Fall in love, never go without your touch. You can be the one I give my all. Take me love, anywhere you wanna go. Across the ocean to see you. Fall in love, never go without your touch. You can be the one I give my all.
Alright, we're here. We've finally made it to the end. And it's awesome.
For your love and touch, 'cause it's just enough. Take me anywhere you
They pissed in the pool. The birds.
The birds?
Yeah.